So here I am sitting on Lufthansa. I'm in flights. Well, I'll tell you the flight it is. It's LH414, so you can look it up later and can do the aircraft. I'll tell you later. But I'm in seat 31K, and the TV screen is so far. I'm not quite sure how much it's watching movies and TVs. I've never seen a TV screen this far from the seat. Look. Here are my legs. There's a TV screen. I mean, I'm happy to have leg space and not be crowded.